Boom! Welcome to my channel. This is the official unboxing of the brand new 2025 Alfa Romeo TONALE. I have no idea how to say it. TONALE. Do you guys know how to say it? And it's in Misano blue, which is the exact same color as our Alfa Romeo Giulia that we also have. The Giulia was like one of the first cars that I started Turo with. My Turo career has red calipers. I think the Giulia also has the same style. Actually, no, they're different wheels. Yeah, they're different wheels. This has like the rings on it. So this is the Veloce model. So something like this would be a level 1 vehicle in our fleet. So one of the cheapest things that you can possibly rent. We go by levels, level 1, 2, 3, and tier S. The tier S is gonna be like the supercars. Something like this would run a renter around like $350 to like just under $500 a day. So typically our level 1 vehicles are under 500. Level 2 is going to be over 500, around 5 to 6. Level 3 is going to be around 6 to 7 or 800. And obviously TRS is going to vary depending on which supercar it's going to be. Let's take a look at the inside now. Nothing really too crazy. Looks similar to the Giulia that we have. So it's a 5-seater. Kind of just picked this thing up as like a super cheap vehicle for, because I don't want to do economy, so this is probably one of the cheapest things you can get. Like I still want somewhat luxury, just no fucking Honda Accords and Toyota Camrys and Corollas. Has an update, lots of fingerprints, sorry. Has the updated screen. The Giulia has a different one. Kind of has an ugly ass shift knob. I prefer the one in the Giulia or the Stelvio. This one has like this fake boot kind of thing. I don't really like it. I thought maybe that's a button. Only has 7,000 clicks on it. Let's start this thing up. The fan's fucking pretty loud. Nothing really like too special, nothing crazy. So this is like an EV, like a hybrid. Fucking feel low. So yeah. And then of course you have like the shift modes with dynamic. Okay, so dynamic, you can hear it. Because now you can definitely hear it. Well, now I can still hear it too. Normal. Okay, so on the A mode. Fuck, sorry about the dinging. Okay, so for the A mode, I guess that's when it uses the EV. Okay, so I think it says it there. AMO is EV, and then when you put normal mode, okay, so it goes away from EV. Actually, did not know that. So the A mode is the silent mode, I guess. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty much it. Is there a point of me like driving around the block in this thing? I don't really think so. It's nothing like crazy. It's not very fast or nothing like that. So that's pretty much it. Short and sweet. Peace.